Hi guys, this is FRG. Can you please subscribe and like? We are heading for 1,000 likes. Today we are going to harvest corn, and it's organic one. And the other thing that we have here, we have beans, and those beans, they cover the soil so that we can keep moisture underneath. And we've got three sisters: it's beans, it's pumpkin, and the corn. But today we are going to harvest corn. This is our corn. This is part of our corn, and I encourage kids to plant more food and to harvest, for them to be able to harvest a lot of corn. Thank you.